Hey guys, welcome to Backyard Chef, and on this channel I show you how to make delicious recipes and we go out and about. And today I'm going to give you my top tip on eating in Bangkok's main airport. Now after a long flight and touchdown in Bangkok, you know, you get off the aircraft and you walk up into the airport and you're looking around. Where do I eat? Most of the signs in the airport actually send you to level 3 or 4, and there are restaurants dotted around inside the airport. But you know, the place to actually eat in Bangkok's main airport is actually in the basement. So what you've got to do, you've got to get yourself into the airport, collect your bags, or your bags might be transferred straight through, and then don't follow the signs to the 3rd floor. Go to the basement and find the magic food point. It's a little food court, and inside it's amazing. Now what you've got to do, you've got to queue up at the counter, hand over your money, and you actually get paper tokens back in return for your money. And this is the tokens that you actually use to spend on whatever you would like. Now they are in 10s and 5 bahts. 10 bahts are the blue, 5 bahts are the pink. So obviously if a meal costs 35 baht, it's 3 blue, 1 pink. Now a top tip when you get into the magic food court is have a look round. Look round, see what there is. You know, there is some amazing meals, and these are all at street prices. Now this food court was set up to actually cater for the staff inside the airport. Now I'm heading for the chicken and rice stall for my first one, but there are many to choose from. Also in the middle you will find a spot where you'll get your spoons and forks, chopsticks and spoon, and just give it a rinse in the boiling water to take off the germs, if there is any. Now I'm at the chicken and rice stall, and as you can see, chicken and rice and the sauces. Now this is fantastic value for money. Now I have asked for both. I've got boiled chicken and I've got fried chicken. So the fried chicken's got the crispy batter on and it is quite crispy, to be honest, and big chunks of boiled chicken. So all you've got to do now is just dig in and enjoy. Now your meal normally comes with a soup, the same as anywhere in Thailand. If you eat in a food court, you normally get your sauces, a soup with your meal. Just dig in and enjoy. Now you can't go wrong with chicken and rice. Straightforward and easy. Now, like I said before, everybody goes to the 3rd floor or the 4th floor, or struggles to look for little food points around the airport or even the 7-Elevens. But this basement caters for all the staff in the airport and anybody that wants to go in. They are super friendly. Everybody serving behind the counters is super friendly. Most of them speak English, and if they don't speak English, just point to what you want on the menu and you will get what you want. Now this is a serviced food court. They actually come round and they collect all the cutlery and spoons and plates when you've finished. Now I'm going for something else. I'm going for red pork. As you can see, the lady is super friendly. And because I'm filming, she's telling me to come round to the side so I can actually film and see what she's doing. This is how friendly the staff are. Amazing. Now this is Mudang, red pork. So she sliced up the pork, and now we're going to get some of that lovely Mudang gravy sauce. Absolutely delicious. And then we just hand over our money. It's 40 baht, 3 10s, 2 5s, and then sit down and dig in. Absolutely amazing, fantastic quality, bursting with flavour, nice tender meat and good cooked rice. I mean, what more can you want from a food court? Excellent. Now in the food court there is water, there is fruit, there are desserts, there's even ice cream. There's many things to actually tuck into and enjoy. Now the water is 10 baht. There are areas in the food court where they actually cook fresh. Tom yum cooked fresh, papaya salad cooked fresh. So you just go there, tell them what you want. And when I say tell them, if you can't speak the language and they don't speak English, don't worry about it. Just point to what's on the menu and you will get what you order. So as you can see, he's making fresh tom yum. The other guy is making an omelette. So you could have omelette and rice. All the staff are super friendly. It's an amazing place. So all you've got to do is just have a look round, see what you want. There are many things to choose from. Now I'm not going to cover everything obviously, because the whole thing will be walking around looking at food in different stalls. And the idea of this is actually just to show you how easy it is and where is the best place to eat in the main airport in Bangkok. And as you can see, the prices are so cheap. They are the same as eating on the street. Amazing. And probably the prices are so cheap because it actually caters for the staff, and there will be a huge turnover of staff, so they don't have to overcharge the prices. The papaya salad is freshly made. We've got salted duck eggs. There are many things to choose from. So guys, when you get stuck in the airport and you're thinking about following the food signs to level 3 or 4, or struggling around the airport for the 7-Eleven, head to the magic food court in the basement. When you finish your meal, you hand back your tickets and you get your money back. So easy. Now guys, if you like what we're showing you, don't forget, like and subscribe and tell your friends. I hope this is useful.